Good day, sir. I'm Cleon Pibailoses. This is how we do. This is the way how to collect the evidence. First thing to do is we need to put some gloves. As I continue, our first evidence is hair, as in buhok. We need to use tweezers to get the hair. And we need to put it in a clear bond paper. And fold it. We need to preserve our evidence. And now we proceed to tagging. And we need to sign here. And we put it in a clear and safe envelope. And this is our evidence, first evidence.